Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Export Import Supply Chain Custom. And we are just completing the job description of the Logistic Export Import Manager. In this module, we have completed three sessions, and this is the fourth one. So, we have completed some activities, and balance activity we will cover in this session. Okay, so we'll start from here. Uh, Keep track, show movings, and obstacle stock. Okay, so here we need to understand the process of export and imports working on, and in such conditions, the movings of the dispatch goods are slow. So you have to keep track what is the reason behind that, and what's obstacles and which coming in the process, which are attracting or impacting the slow moving movement of the goods. So these things need to be tracked and flagged to the senior so that they can understand what is actual problem here. Okay, so this you can manage these activities by using the date of uh, some uh, some excel sheet in which you can mention the date like a dispatch date, custom clearance date, okay, sob date, okay, handover date, this kind of date, and then you can find out the actual real time locations and how much time taking in the process. So this thing need to be traced for the smooth working. Okay, now next one is identifying identifies saving by removing vast and unnecessary step in the logistic process. So here we can understand in the oldest system there are a lot of activities which are now becoming the automation of the system. Okay, so need to be update the system and remove the unnecessary steps which are unnecessary taking the cost, increasing the cost. So in such cases you can understand what kind of initiative you can take, just like a for example, in the process of the transportations. Now in the oldest time, in previous time, we can say the transportations are monopolies, and we can use only the particular type of vehicle they can arrange in the transport program is the limited. So the monopolies raises by the transport company. Due to this, the impact of the transportation cost, okay, we will not um, dispatch good otherwise then they cannot provide the empty container at the factory. So in such case, whatever the charge they ask for, that we need to agree, okay. But now the system has been changed, and now the lot of competitors are available, so you can use that one by giving the right negotiation, by negotiating the correct pricing, and check out the whether which is the best you can select out. So in this way, this is the only example. In this way, there are certain unnecessary steps which will impact and become as obstacles of the logistic process. You can remove such unwanted activities. Okay. Now, interpret trends and analyze review data. Interpret trends. So currently, whatever the trends are coming, like in logistic system, yeah, warehouse management, and in the system of like a competition of the product. Okay, so all the things which are coming the trends, we need to interpret it. Means that we have to adapt the trends with our product. Okay, and analysis also need to analysis and review the data, our data and the other competitors' data. On the behalf of that, you can upgrade the product, not only product but the system process in which you can give the best and best efficient system to the management. So also also need to provide the meaningful logistic data to other in the organizations to aid customer service and cost improvement. Okay, so you have to provide the logistic data to others in the organization. Okay, so for example, you are fixed with some single transportations, but for the same activity, you can arrange another transportations. Maybe they will provide you the best pricing for that moment of transportation charges. Okay, so you have to share this with the organizations, the logistic data, which will give you the best improvement good services. Okay, now next one is the ensure the IT system in place are effective. Okay, so you know that the entire data are managed on the IT system, all record and the system, and you can say the database managements are stored in the system. So you have to ensure that the system are effectively working or not. Otherwise, the you will not able to achieve the system objectives or company objective, because that you will not provide the accuracy of data. So here you want to say just you have to check out that all the things are okay or not in IC system, because that in nowadays inward and outward of inventories, the system monitoring will automatically at the IT system, like the scanner of the gate, and the scanning will be done by the scanner at the seal which are uh, locked by the containers at the gate of the containers. The scanner data will scan and system automatically update the inventories. So here the IT system is the very effective, which easily give the best solutions and update the data rightly, maintain the accuracy. So if you the system is okay, then your data will be managed in right way. Now the last one of the session activities, ensure metric reports and process documentation is available. Okay, ensure metrics reports. Okay, so reports mean that in the offices or in the organizations, the system is managed in a hierarchy way. So reporting to be done to next, then the next, then next. So this you need to ensure that these activities going on in right way. Okay, so report the all the things which are going on, just like a dispatching goods. Then you have to report that today this shipment has been completed. So need to report if any of the stackles, any problems are occur, then you need to flag with the senior managements, then to report to right way so that they can take action in right way. Okay, so here process documentation to be avail in right way. So you have to understand the how this process need to be complete in right way. Okay, if you will not report the matter or concern which will impacting the system, it will be problem. Like any small problems become a great problem. So need to be flagged. Okay, so guys, in this session we have tried to understand some activities which are important to the import export system. So guys, I hope you understand this thing, and now we are going to end the session here. So thanks for watching the have a nice day.